The crowd is on their feet for the Empress of Tomorrow.
Here we go, and I expect an incredibly turbulent environment in this Extreme Rules match tonight. This match is about to kick off with Becky Lynch, Asuka, and Rhea Ripley.
Many Extreme Rules matches in history, but I don't believe we've ever seen a true blueprint for success in this contest.
Draw up your blueprints and throw them away, Saxton, because they'll do you no good. The amount of variables in play in this match make it extremely unpredictable. The tried and true method to taking anyone down.
Boom! That puts her on the offensive. Double axe handle.
Pull back into the hip toss.
Oh, man. Oh, that hurt.
Oh, what a kick. Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Caught with the elbow. Response. What kind of headspace do you need to be in to succeed in a triple threat match?
From the top. Oh, took it high risk, but was off the mark.
Kick gets caught. Oh, elbow to the knee.
That'll hyperextend your leg.
Showing no signs of defense here, guys. Oof. Ooh. She gets bounced into the corner. Using the elbow as a weapon.
Clobbered with a double axe handle.
Stop right to the belly.
Going to be agonizing for the arm. Oh, right across the solar plexus.
Becky definitely felt every last bit of that blow.
That's triple threats for you. You're going to get beat up along the way, no matter what.
Rhea capitalizes there.
And a slap for the exclamation point.
You can see that each strike drained their opponent's energy. Brutal move that can take away all the mobility in that leg. Ooh! Oh! The Empress striking at will.
Oh, she has bad intentions now. Removing the turnbuckle pad.
Ooh!
She's looking to go top rope here. From the top.
High knee right between the shoulders. And Rhea is revving this crowd up.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Back into the ring she goes.
Able to save herself there.
Oh, ouch. Bam. Ooh. Rhea was just a step behind there. Double arm lock.
Wow. Just got thrown around like a sack of you-know-what.
Roundhouse on the mark. Climbing up the...
Overspiring. Figure four heads.
Perched up top.
Dummy. Taps out.
Here is your winner, Rhea Ripley.
As exciting a triple threat match as we've had here in WWE in recent memory.
I know there is only one true winner of a match like this, guys, but the other two superstars should keep their heads up high after the performances they pulled off here.
Unfortunately, there's no